All right, so let's go to task 4, move, copy, array, and multiply. So we're going to do a precise move and copy, and after we click to place it, we're going to type in a number followed by the letter X, enter, and that's going to make 4 equal copies down the line at that specified distance. So let's hop in here and check that out. This is task 4, move, copy, array, and multiply. All right, so I'm going to zoom in and navigate to that view that is strategic for what I'm working on. And you can see that we've got point A and point A. I'm going to click once to pick it up, tap Control or Option on the Mac to toggle that copy, and then I'm going to click to put it down. Now, notice that my measurements dialog box down here is showing me a distance of 3 feet. Watch this. I'm going to type 4x, enter. And that makes 4 copies down the line at that specified distance. All right, let's try again. I'm going to hover on this block, click once to pick it up, start my move, tap Control or Option on the Mac, and click to put it down. Now, if you watch my measurements dialog box in the bottom right corner of my screen, I'm going to type 7x, enter. There we go. 7 equal copies down the line. Now, we can also do this precise move, copy, and array by typing in the specific dimension. So I don't have to just click once to pick it up and click to put it down. This time I'm going to click once to pick it up, tap Control, and then find my axis, let go of the mouse, and enter my specific precise dimensions and also the number for the array. So let's check that out. With my Move tool active, I'll click once to pick it up, I'll tap Control or Option on the Mac, find my red axis, and then I'm going to let go of the mouse. So there's my red axis. You can see that my distance in the bottom right corner of my screen, it's showing up 4 foot 1 and 1/32. I'm going to type in 5 apostrophe and hit enter. Now I'm going to immediately type 7x, enter, and we get 7 copies down the line. All right, let's try that again. This time we're going to do a 3-foot copy with 4 times. So I'll click once to pick it up, tap Control or Option on the Mac, find my red axis, and then we're going to type in 3 apostrophe enter, and then we're going to type 4x, enter. Perfect. Just like that. All right, so we've got one more here, and this time we're going to make a copy at 8 feet. All right, so we're going to say 8 feet, and then we're going to type 12x, enter. Now, here's the thing, is that right when you type 12x, enter, you could say, I meant 10x, enter. So then you could type 10x, enter, and make 10 copies rather than the 12. You can even go back and decide, you know what, that wasn't actually supposed to be 8 feet, it was supposed to be 6 feet. So you can change this, the parameters of this copy and array as long as you don't invoke another command. So let me show you what that looks like in SketchUp. All right, so with my Move tool active, I click once to pick it up, and let me make this point too. I keep clicking on this point down here, but it really doesn't matter. I click once to pick it up, I tap Control or Option on the Mac, find my red axis, and let go of the mouse. I'm going to type 8 apostrophe enter, and then I'm going to type 12x, enter. And let me just roll out a little bit, all right, so you can really see this. All right, now keep in mind I have not invoked another command, and I'm going to say 8x, enter. And then maybe I decide it should be 5 feet, enter. Maybe it should be 4 feet, enter, and 22 times, enter. So I can continue to modify that copy and array as long as I don't invoke another command. Now, as soon as I come over here and click on the line tool, the ability to modify that copy and array is over. And it's no big deal. I mean, I could just erase them and redo the copy and array. That's no problem. You've moved on to the next command. Just something to keep in mind. You can really use this as a design tool. Making decisions on the fly. I'd say like windows on a building or shrubs in front of a house. You can kind of continue to alter that copy and array until you get the right visual look you're going for.